Today I'll show you how to properly terminate a Cat6 cable with an RJ45 connector. First, I'm stripping about 2 inches of the outer jacket from the Cat6 cable, being careful not to damage the inner wires. Now I'm untwisting the wire pairs and arranging them according to the T568B standard. That's orange, white, orange, green, white, blue, blue, white, green, brown, white, and brown. I'm trimming the wires to about half an inch from the jacket, making sure they are all even and straight. Next, I'm sliding the wires into the RJ45 connector, ensuring each wire reaches the end of the connector and maintains the correct order. Now I'm placing the connector into the crimping tool and applying firm, even pressure to create a secure connection. I repeated the same process for the other end of the Cat6 cable. Now I'm testing the connection by plugging one end into my router and the other end into my computer to verify I can get internet connectivity. Perfect. The connection is working and I'm getting internet access, which confirms the cable is properly terminated and ready for use. Thank you all for watching.